Fish the ear. So, what? My whole one. You got one? Yeah. Yeah, mama! That people. Fire! Where's the monkey?
Fire is here.
Fire! Fire and a wood belly.
Why? Wallah.
Handle the heat. Listen to me. It's worth the wait.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so we have Maki in our place. So you deal it.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. That is it. Bless up my peeps. I'm here, you know. Maki and Cabo Adventures out and running. Great adventure on the way. Hope we land a few fishes this morning, you know. Yeah, man. So that is it, you know. Nigel, Yaman TV.
Yeah, man.
Black man the travel.
Outside we are going to hold some fish. We have to say to them, black man.
I'm never waking up so early to catch animals, man. What the heck, man? Only in Jamaica this happens, man. But you know, it's part of the culture, tradition. I'm learning something new. Hopefully Nigel's gonna teach me some things. What's your name, my bro? Your name?
Yes, Maki and Cabo Adventures.
So Maki and Cabo Adventures is always here in the car. He's in the back, and hopefully he's gonna teach me some things. And these guys are professionals, so they're professional at their job. So everything takes time. I realise it takes time. You need to have a lot of patience, because I've done this the other day in Montego Bay, and I was like, hey, listen, I need to go home. But it's patience and time, and hopefully we're gonna capture some amazing content today. We're able to catch some fish, cook it, eat it, and show you guys what it's like to be fishing in Jamaica. See you soon.
And again, people, welcome to another video. Welcome to another banger. As a fisherman, we are outside like normal. So you don't know, you don't see who and who we have out here today. We have Blackman and we have Maki and Cabo Adventure. We stop at one location, we check it out and see if we can do some fishing right here, but look like we have to go further up. As some new spot, me I try to the people. As a fisherman, you don't know a thing go.
As a fisherman.
What you say, Maki?
As a fisherman, that is it, man.
That is it.
You go.
So you say we are going further up.
Yeah, water looks stagnant.
Water looks stagnant.
Go further.
Alright, we no come in, people. We are go further up.
Yeah.
So we are go across the road now. Cross, my guy. Cross. Yes. So right, yes, I have a spot. Oh, Lord.
This is how we do it in Jamaica. You wanna join us?
Yes.
Sure. Have a good day.
What we gotta do right now?
This is how we do it, black man.
You do it in Jamaica?
Yeah, man, as a fisherman.
Fisherman.
So we throw it. So we throw the line, you know.
Yeah, look at those baits. Look at those baits. Look.
Yeah.
Show there. Probably some jacks there eating.
Yeah. Well, I'm reeling back this and throw out there. What me I get pick out there, you know? Watch out. Watch out one there swim right there, so.
I want to run out fight, Jack.
Oh, they ate your bait.
Yeah, they gone with the bait.
So
You
there's
see
fish.
it? Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice. I can't wait to throw my line there.
Hold on, so. May I put on some more.
About fishing, yeah? It's patience, but once you capture something, it pays off.
Yeah, man, pays off big
It's
time.
like, first you have that adrenaline, you're thinking, come on. Then when you get your first one, your second one, your fourth one, and you go home full of fish, you're like,
Yeah.
it was worth it.
So people, you didn't know man for bait a while ago, some here. Yeah, fling on some more bait on it. Yeah. Step down here, so. Oh, that deep.
Outside.
Watch out.
Oh.
Yeah, you see that?
Wow.
That's how one stingray. Stingray jump off or something a while ago. Them a pick it, you know? Yeah, man, fish there here. So, what? My whole one.
You got one?
Yeah. Yeah. My whole something. Yeah. Come here, boy.
Nigel's got something.
Yeah, come here, boy.
Nigel's got something.
Come here, boy.
Nigel's got something.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. That is it. One time. Yeah, you think you get where? You go straight in a pan. Yeah. Oh, something black, man. You see that? That's how we do it,
We've been
people.
there for only like what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, like 10 minutes, man. You see it? One brim.
That is it.
That is it.
So what type of fish is that?
This is a brim.
A brim.
Yeah, man. We call that one here a brim. So, the people on my channel, they're the one that tell me the name of it because I don't know the name of them that well.
Learning every day.
Every day I'm learning.
Okay.
Yeah, man. So, we catch your first brim.
Yeah.
We're going to beat up again and throw out there again. You see that, people?
Get some more.
As a fisherman. Hold on. You feel nice in the morning, yeah? Alright, people. So, I catch my first one. So, I'm going to throw the line out there again. And then after, I'm going to give Black Man. But Black Man, try him luck. People, at first, I come on the spot here now. And Mackie bring me out of that spot here. So normally how I feel when fish is on it, I rest my finger right on the line.
Wait, say that again? You rest your finger on the line?
Yeah, so I rest my finger on the line so you can feel when the fish are biting the bait. So that's how I know when, and then when a fish hook, you drag it, they start to drag the line. So you start to feel the line vibrating in your hand. So that's how
That's how you can tell.
yeah, that's how I can tell. Fishing is fun, man. But it's just patient.
A lot of patience, bro.
Yeah. Alright, so you lock it back now.
We'll go back like this?
Yeah. Then you reel it in a little bit. No, leg go over here. So yeah, hold this with the left hand now. Yeah.
Put it in my left hand.
Leg of the line. Yeah.
Reel it in.
Yeah, get little tension. Alright. That is it. So you just stop now. Yeah. You just rest your finger up on the line now.
On this line.
Yeah. And you just watch, just feel it. If something pick it, you don't know say it's a
Bring
fish.
it back.
Yeah. So if you feel something drag it, you know say it's a fish. So you just let it go with your leg of your finger and just start reel it in fast. You get that, people?
China. But with Japan, they've got some respect, man. They've got some morals. But Japan, they eat shark, man.
They eat shark in Japan.
Yeah, man. It's expensive.
Where's the expensive meat?
And dolphin. Expensive, man, bro.
Oh, that deep. See if we catch nothing else. Love we could catch a big one and I want people. Come in, fish, come in.
You might have to call them in, man. Fishy, come on.
Yeah, come in, fish.
I'm the whisperer today.
So yeah, people, we are go up on a different location. Cause right now, I just one fish me catch right there, so one little brim. I wanna catch that no more. See, Mackie there right here, so I try to catch them.
Let me catch two, but throw them back, you know.
Two little one there.
Then they reach 8 inches, so throw them back.
They throw them back.
They're
That
like
is it.
3.5 inches. We don't need those, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are real fish.
As a fisherman.
I've caught nothing.
The
I've
black
been
man
bad.
right there, so-
I'm just chilling. I tried, but it's too hot.
Yeah, man.
Now I just caught the fish today. No, brother, you caught one as well, no?
Yeah, man. Me catch
So listen,
one,
I need to catch up with them.
Yeah, man. That is it. So we're gonna try one different location, so we're not gonna lock in until we get to the next location. Alright? As a fisherman.
We're catching peeps.
Mackie one little one there. Them little one here we are catch.
Yeah, this is little snapper. We call them
Eat off a bit.
dog teeth snapper. I'll show you why we call them dog teeth snapper. They got the teeth like a dog, the canines. Can you see?
Oh.
Yeah, he gone back in the water, which is good.
Jump off. We can't keep him in too small. Let's say if he did bigger. That's Sunday dinner. But him too small. So you have to let him go back to his parents. But when you go and lock in, we out here like normal, we out here like now. If you don't believe, ask God. Alright people, so we reach a new location. Look what I go on. There's some pelican that fly around. This is a new location with there. See lighthouse over right over there, so. See Mackie there. And see black man up there, so. That is it. So we are gonna try hold something you know. We are gonna throw out the line. We are gonna throw out the line you know and see if we can catch something. Right? So no lock in. Right, Mackie, feed the fish them. Oh, that's see ya now. Woo! Wait for something to bite that. May I get picked? That is a good sign. May I get picked, people? Them a pick it. So you know, say, me I go hold something right here now at the new spot. Alright. Fish on? Fish on! Mackie, fish on! Catch a rockfish! We catch a little boy. I be them fish. I don't know them fish I love Mr. to blow. Whoa.
So what you catch?
How are the fish near Mackie? I say him name? Because I don't know that one your name, I don't know that fish.
Oh, it look like, yeah, Python gripper. It's a grouper, but this is the Python one.
It's a Python one.
Small grouper. You're gonna put him back.
So I can touch him?
Yeah. I'm gonna not just not each other.
Eh?
You not just not
Yeah,
each
me
other.
too, man. I'm like, nah.
Yo, that one you look away. Yeah, man.
You gonna keep it?
No, me I let him go. One grouper. Yeah, one little one. So I just let him go back. So yeah, I get bite. So I choke back my line here now, people. See if I can't catch nothing no more. One helicopter there in the sky. So this is the new location that I try out. Them a pick it, but not really hold it as yet. But then nah pull it, them just eat it. I got really thin here now. And see. Alright. Jano Star. Look here again, people. One more them bombard to ugly fisher. Watch out. Can you believe it? One more of them. Marky. One more I see them fish them. Marky, hold something, people. Can see where him catch? Bahala! Bahala! Where you catch? Where you catch? Where you catch?
They call him on a Pampino, when name?
Yeah, I thought you see one of them fish here.
What's the name of the fish?
Where name? I don't know where name.
But when name catch one, when name Cameron, him tell me the name, I don't remember the name.
It's very skinny and thin.
Yeah, man.
That's Jack.
Look at that. I see that Mackie catch one, so I might turn to catch a big one, you know. Out a deep. Woo! Come on, fish, you know, come on. Yeah, man, there right out there, say, I'm gonna look like him, I'm gonna dive, you know. Look like one diver. So I'm gonna shut off all I fish them, you know. The dog jump off. I'm not gonna catch no fish, you know. I'm gonna shoot off all life. What is that? Look like something there on it, you know. Look like so. Nah, sir, I move from right here, sir. Nah, sir, I move from right, that's all. Yo, I not stay right, that's all again. I be them fish I catch. Be them ugly fish I catch. Watch your man. I go up further. Alright, so I come further up. Down there, so I not catch a beer. The little. What? Watch them Maki catch all I fish them. Watch your wave, man. Watch it, watch it. Where's the catch the next one? That is it. I'm out here still, people are going to try my luck same way. You see it? The Maki just catch the next one there. But you don't know, see, I saw fishing going up, people. So I just go on, I get the pick, you know, I get the pick. Black man gone in the car, because black man can't manage the sun, black man run gone. But we there go and do a thing, alright? So no go and lock it and do the right thing as normal. That is it, outside. People, me also, we get the knife here, we cut up with bait. So we get the knife here for cut up with bait, so we want to big up Miss Williams. Yeah. With a knife here. Yeah man, and it's sharp. Sharp like that, watch it. Yeah man, if you cut up my bait them. So big R up to the fullest. 1 LDS woman. Right? You can check out our YouTube channel as well. 1 LDS woman. I put on the fish them yo. Come like every fish I see him where me go. Them not ram to eat off the bait. May I put on some more bait and try it out there again. As a fisherman, so I'm not going lucky. Oh, there. Hold on, we got one! Oh, man! People, yo, we not even could have turned on the camera a while ago. Yo! Yo! I not even could have turned on the camera a while ago for to see what me I really mean. But watch out! I don't even know. What the name?
No, Pampino. And that's to say.
Pump. Yo, people, if you don't know what name, you comment it down below. I don't know what that one name. First me I catch this. Look the man. Me feel good. Yo, what me tell you a while ago? When me bait up the line, I go catch something. And look at that. Look at that. Woo! As a fisherman, we out here like normal. Bombard! Yeah. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to take him off and try again. Try off our next one. Voila! Look the man. Alright people, so I catch up the second one. So I go back out there for one big one, one next big one, you know, alright? I'm not coming. Wrong place to show it, but yeah. plane take off, people. The airport they right round here, so one plane just take off. I put on some more bait for my line. I know I not catch a next fish yet. What? Say Maki catch something. What kind of fish that? It's small. Oh. As a fisherman, we are out here like, no, watcha, watcha. Woohoo! A helicopter fly for.
Much hooks and sinker we lose. We have lost so many sinkers and hooks, but we're still holding on because we caught jacks.
Yeah man, I might catch most fish them. Come from the side.
Get a fat one, they catch a flat one.
Yeah.
That's it.
I am a Vala looking at people. So remember people, check out him channel. You want to tell him the channel again?
Maki and Kabu Adventures, yeah man.
That is it.
That is it.
As a fisherman.
Just get a bite out there.
Wow. I could say if we might go roll in something. Right here now.
That one do.
So you say we are going to do here now? We are going to roast the fish then?
Yeah man, we can roast some fish on the side of us, you know. Tractor man around there.
Oh.
Light up a fire and scale them in the water and
alright, so we are going to go and scale two of them.
roast some, you know. That is it.
Alright, so we are going to go and scale two.
Alright.
So yeah man, my sinker bust off. So we are going to go and scale them fish. I can roast, we are going to roast them. Roast them. You see me? So now come in. Scaling time. So this is how we catch people. I don't know the fish hour. I don't know the 1 hour.
Jack both of them.
I don't know the 1
And
hour.
a pumpy, you know. Forgot what Cameron call that one. They call it something like slime line or something jack.
Oh.
What is that jack?
I catch a 1 already. And the 1 year.
We know it's that jack.
But I never catch this. I never catch this. I never catch it. So them are my two. This and this. And them three are for Maki. Maki and Kabu Adventure, yeah man, them in catch them then. Black man no catch none. Black man run gone from his son. So just me and Maki there right there so. So we are gonna scale them and then get them roasting, alright? So no lock in. Yeah. That one is slimy. You scale them off people. That one you feel slimy.
Did you bring seasoning?
No, I'm not bring the season.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Eh. Yeah, shrimp.
Shrimp? Yes.
Yeah, shrimp.
Red forest shrimp, yeah.
Right, yeah, so.
Right now we'll have stone, liquor stone. Yeah, where your black man go? Bum, man, them get the one of the fish them.
So you have to just come and work early, man, and bring your rod and line, man. So me I look some fire stick, some firewood. Okay. roast them fish here. Which part you say, Mackie? Right down here, sir? So no go and lock it. So right now I'm going to try to catch a fire. See fire? Come from the side here. The breeze a blow wicked. Yo, the sun at like let me lighter. Forget the sponge light. Let me lighter there.
Oh god.
Sorry, nah, light at all. So, Mackie come take over the fire. That is it. Yo, the sun hot, you're fresh. I don't want normal sun, these people. I seasoning this. Seasoning them, people. Mackie bring a seasoning them. You have salt. I don't know that one there. I don't know the rest of them.
And pimento, coriander.
The middle one?
No, that's sesame seed, rounded sesame seed. And the one that pimento, coriander seed and cloves.
Oh, yeah man.
So you have spices. What spices are those?
Yeah.
Coriander seeds.
That people. Fire! Fire! Where's the Mackie?
Fire is here.
Fire! Fire and a wood belly.
Why that? Wallah.
Fire! What's that? Black man, fire! This car out again, you know.
Let's go.
Compound that side, I want to see. Better.
Yeah. Yeah, drop some salt, drop some coriander seed, pimento seeds, and cloves. Now them good for man too, you know?
Natural herbs, right?
Natural herbs.
Look at that. From man, you know, they are seeing people.
Yeah, so hungry I kill we know.
Yeah, man.
So
Hungry.
you have to make sure say the fish they will catch, make use of them.
You see it? See fire over there, so
Yeah, man.
we don't play around. As you say in Jamaica right now, man, hungry like dog. Yeah. So can't wait for them to done roast and can eat right now. It's a big one there.
Sweet. Real.
That is it.
Jerry, them mago power where they are roast fish. Mago back fan some of them, you know.
Yeah, Jamaica shore fishing, we are roast fish now, you know.
Man adventure. Them a mago power where they, you know.
So them are roast fish.
Man
Show them.
beach.
show them we are roast fish out here on beach too.
Oh, that is it, bro.
Real way. See grill stick them here, a grill stick we are going to use. We're not going to see how we do it. But yo people, it's sun hot. We don't have no shelter. No shelter at all. Right now, hot sun with it. You see what we have to go through? So yeah man, so please like up the video. And subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet, alright? Yeah man. Because we have to go through some hot sun.
Hothead.
Hothead. Yo.
Flathead.
Yo, hothead. You think a flathead? Big up yourself, hothead. We're outside like now.
Like it's a long time if you go and burn. Like it's seeds.
Everything season up, look on the grill.
Oh, it's the explosion.
Looking good, smelling good, it's gonna taste good.
Yeah man. People to a place hot. The way me can stay cool if you just walk in the water. When I walk in the water I feel cooler. You see me? So while the fish there, so I go and roast. Just there I go and walk in the water because yo, the place hot like fire. And see no shade, no tree, look. Nothing at all on the road for shelter. You get me? So yeah man. That we have to go on with, alright? So we're out here like normal, so we just do the right thing. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So when the fish them almost done, I go check in back and make them see what I'm going. Alright? Big up Blackman the Traveler and big up Kabu. Big up Maki and Kabu, alright? Adventure. Outside like normal, outside like now. So people. Yeah, two of me hot now, so I have to cool off in that water right there. Can't manage the heat. Oh no! I have to cool off. Yo! Come like a bun me a bun up. So right here now, I just have to cool off the clean eye water. No sir. That is it. Normal out. As a fisherman. I feel cooler people. Oh man! Come and see ya. You have to scream and all them something there. Water that is it.
Listen, Yo Man TV, everything lock up in Jamaica. Everything lock up in Jamaica. But guess what? Everything gonna go lock up international. Soon Yo Man TV is gonna go out of Jamaica and he's gonna make some soon content. Big up 10 times, yeah?
Yeah man, that is it. You see it? Yeah man, big up on yourself. So see the people, fish ready you know. So devour, we are going to devour this right you know. The African way. So just I got dig in it. What you say black man?
Listen, I'm hungry and it's hot. Need to eat. Smells good, looks good.
Yeah man. So we're going to shell it down you know, alright?
Yeah?
So no lock in.
Yeah, peeps.
Actually nothing, it was too hot. I couldn't handle the heat. Listen to me. It's worth the wait.
That is it, man.
Yeah, man.
Health is wealth,
bad.
man. Health is wealth.
Health is wealth.
And this food is health and it's wealth as well. Ooh.
Yo,
Yeah,
that fish are meaty.
So
Look there. This time, the pompano them, sir. Tastes good.
It's well seasoned. It's tasty. It's not crunchy, but it's grilled to perfection, you know?
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Right.
Taste that one, I
Finish
know.
eating this fish.
Yeah, man, it tastes good, man. I like that one. I think that one ain't Havana meat, you know. The first one we catch. But the meat, you.
What? I say Jack go on. Face watcher. Meat.
I think I bring.
Face dropping up, but guess what? Now, yes, no? Season, turn up. See that? Drop a drum and things say me I go left it. Yeah, man. Outside,
Yeah, man.
on the seaside.
On the seaside.
Catch the fish them in them eye
Side.
side. The black man, the traveler, I tell them say, oh, the sun hot, but him still not hide.
Man, the sun got me, but the fish is good.
Line catch a fish in line, yeah, king. Yeah.
Yeah. Mackie full of lyrics, you know. No ramp with Mackie, you know.
Like a big jack on the love, but not like a same jack, you know.
Better than the fish in the UK, man. This is seasoned.
Yeah,
Better
man.
than the fish in Europe. This is well cooked, well seasoned.
Yeah, man. This
You
is
guys put love in your food. In Europe, we just put salt and pepper. That's it.
salt and pepper.
That's our season.
You know, so we not deal with the salt and pepper alone, man.
Listen, in Europe, the way they cook is salt and pepper. But in the black countries, such as Jamaica, you guys, you clean your fish.
I like that fish, yeah.
You season your fish.
Sure.
And you cook with love.
Yeah, that is it, man. Give thanks.
So if you want good fish, connect with my man. And connect with my man and come to Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Fish are full of meat. What's your
Black man, the
peeps?
traveler is here. Eating
What's
the
that?
fish, you know. Watch your bit. Go in night.
See fire there?
Go in night. Yeah, man, it's a nice
Yo,
day,
your fish bad. Yo, it worth it. We dey out here from morning and we catch it and we cook roast it. And I enjoy it. So I'm gonna go on lock in.
Yeah, man. Yeah, let's go.
So people, we done mash up everything and I left the seaside right now. So we are going now. You see it? So people, I want to big up again for stay tuned and watch the full video. You don't know. So big up on yourself. What you say, Mackie?
That is it. You give thanks, you know. We link up, you know. You might have just so. We meet already just see the man up on TV. I don't know when he come to Jamaica and black man there, right beside him, give thanks for YouTube, you know. To be a content creator. So we can be here together, sharing together, catching fish together, roasting together and eating together. Right now we're belly, mele.
Yeah.
You hear that? Belly.
Belly.
Yes.
Alright, so remember, check out him channel, the link are down in the description, alright?
Yeah, man, Mark
And
is
see
top
black
one.
man, yeah. So you have to say them to them black man.
That is it. The food is good. Big up everyone over here. Subscribe, support each other. I'm gonna come back next month, but I apologize. I didn't really fish, yeah? You two done the fishing, not me. I was like sitting in the car, it was too hot, the sun burned my skin.
Yeah.
But next time, I'm gonna do some fishing with you guys. And I'm gonna catch a big fish, not a little fish, a big fish.
Alright.
Big up Jamaica, bless up.
That is it.
That is it.
So yeah man, so big up on yourself again people, so me catch you in the next adventure, alright? Outside like normal.
Mark and top one.